Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again. We're going to continue our studies, Skills Series, Grade 7, with this show being dedicated to Mr. Callanan here. His topic is reading a protractor. If you need help with your homework, just dial the Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. They will help you out. Don't forget to watch our YouTube videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peak Skill Middle School. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Write me a comment. I do write back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 22. Very good movie. You can tweet me at DRobMath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. only on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. All right, let's get down to what we got to do. So, let me back up a little bit. All right. So we want to read a protractor, huh? Okay. So our goal will be to identify the measurement of an angle in degrees using a protractor. All right. So there it is in Espanol for my ELL students. So here's some vocabulary we need to know. So array, and I have it in Espanol for my ELL students. Array is a line segment with one endpoint. Here's the endpoint here, and an arrowhead. There's the arrowhead pointing in this direction. That is unbounded, means it keeps going. And vocabulary some more. Endpoint, we mentioned already. That's the big dot where a line segment begins or ends. Here's some more vocabulary. Here's an angle, the space between two intersecting lines where they meet. So this little black line right here is the space between these two intersecting lines. And notice they intersect right here at the end point. So that would be the angle of measurement that we're talking about. And here's a little bit more vocabulary. Vertex. It's where two endpoints meet. So they meet right here at this point here called the vertex. Here's a ray, and here's another ray. So where two rays meet, that is called the endpoint or vertex. Oh boy, here we got a lot of notes. So let's see. An angle is formed by, angulo, is formed by two rays, rayos, with the same endpoint. So that's important to know. An angle is formed by two rays with the same point. Now, the point where two rays meet is called, yes, we said the vertex already. So that's the point where they meet. Move down a little bit more. And here's the symbol. You may see this little circle. That's the symbol for an angle. And the unit used to measure these are called degrees, grados. So that's good to know, good information. We just got another box to release. To measure an angle, we use a protractor, transportada. We always start at 0 when we're measuring. So we're going to measure some angles in a second here. So here's the little notes that you should know. So we're going to use our protractor. If you're unsure what it looks like, here's what it looks like. This is my interactive protractor with smart notebook. So it's a good protractor. So let's look at an example. So we always start at 0. So if you notice at the bottom, 0 here is here, and so is 180. 0 is here, and so is 180. It has two numbers. So going up from 0, to 80, there's 90, and that's important to know. And that helps me know what kind of angle I'm dealing with by the 90. So when I see 90, I know I have a 90-degree or right angle. And then to keep counting, I go to the top line. That'd be 100, 110, all the way down to 180. Well, why do you have these other numbers down here, Dr. Rob? Because it goes from 90 to 80, 70. Well, that'd be the other way you would be counting, and we'll get an example of that in just a minute. So if we looked at this where we started at 0 and we counted on the top line of numbers, here there's 140, 150, and halfway between it would be 145. And there's our little degree symbol. So that's a 145-degree angle, or in other words known as an obtuse angle. So check out our videos on angles. Here's the other one that I mentioned, because we talked about why would we have it, the numbers on the left side like that. So here, I notice it looks like we're starting from 180, but no, we're starting from 0. So we're going to start from 0. Always start from 0 and count your degrees upwards. So I'm going to stop right here. It stops right there at the 80-degree mark. So I'm going to say, hey, that's got to be 80 degrees. So I know you would like to use this, but let me tell you a little trick if you want to use the top numbers. So since this one down here is 180 degrees, let me get a pen. Since that is 180 degrees, and this is 100 degrees when you read the top, if you subtract those two numbers, you'll get the measure of that angle. So that's another way of looking at it if you want to actually use the top numbers. So that's good to know. So I hope you understand what's going on so far. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, write down your comments, and bring them in the class. I'll be glad to answer them. You can even write me an email. My email address is at the end. Oh, speaking of at the end, we're already at the end of the video. So that's it for me today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget to watch our YouTube study videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peekskill Middle School. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing, write us a comment because I do write back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 22. You can tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays, 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m., only in Peekskill on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. If you would like more information on what we've just done, I'll send you a worksheet. Just write me at drobinson@peekskillschools.org. Hey, there's little Kinsley from Math Prep 21. Just saw her the other day. The Pandemic. Good movie. So I hope you enjoyed our video study skills series with this topic dedicated to Mr. Callanan reading A Protractor. So this is Dr. Rob signing off. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.